Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your WeChat post status from a selected contact on your WeChat contact list. Let me show you how. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to click on me. Next thing you need to do is to click on status plus right here. Then here, you can decide to choose any of the character right here. Scroll down right here and choose any of the character, or better still, if you decide to post some certain things on your status, you have to click on enter right here, post, then click on done. Then here, you have to make sure you come to privacy section right here. So having click on privacy, next thing you need to do is to simply click on don't share. The next thing you need to do is to click on select contacts. So you can select as many as possible contacts from your contact list right here. So any of the contacts you select right here, they will not be able to see your WeChat status. The next thing you need to do after you select the contact, click on select. Save as tag and use later. Ignore. Now you have all the contacts right here. With that, all these contacts here will not be able to see your WeChat status when you eventually post. Next thing you need to do is to click on done right here. Then you have your post right here. You can simply write something new. Then click on that's it. Then you have your status posted right here. But those contacts you have selected will not be able to see the status on your WeChat. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.